Here are 5 helpful ways to use Copilot in Outlook. Number 1, draft a brand new email. Instead of starting from scratch, Copilot can help draft an email in seconds. Try something like, draft an email inviting friends to a summer barbecue on Saturday, July 6th at 4 p.m. at my apartment building's rooftop patio. And an email is created instantly. Next, Copilot can help draft responses using the context of an existing email thread. I need to respond to this email, so I'll ask Copilot, draft a friendly reply letting them know guests are welcome and there's a parking garage. Now I have a reply to send right away. Number 3, draft an email using information that already exists in your inbox or another file. For example, I need to send an update about this barbecue I've been coordinating to my building management. I can just ask Copilot, draft an email to the building manager using information from recent barbecue emails, including estimated guest count and setup timing. It pulls the relevant details from my inbox to create a draft for me. Next, you can update emails to make them shorter, clearer, or a different tone. I want to change the tone here, so I'll ask, rewrite this email to sound more casual and concise while keeping all the important details. Copilot updates the draft instantly. And finally, Copilot can help expand an email with additional details and context. For example, I already drafted a quick reminder email for the barbecue, but it's pretty bare bones. I'll prompt, add that there will be burgers, drinks, and games. Remind everyone there is guest parking in the garage and they can text me when they arrive or if they have any issues finding my place. Copilot builds out the email with more complete information while keeping the tone consistent. That's a quick look at a few ways Copilot in Outlook can help take the busy work out of email. Follow for more easy ways to use Copilot.